and we are working on test cases, right? So we can take test cases from test suite 2, copy it to save our time. Okay, now we already know what are tags, and see variable. Today we are using different variables, different ways. I'll show you. Now for browser we are using this one. Let's go URL and browser. Okay, and user login, let me bring the user login. Oh, there is no keyword because it's new. Okay, and in the user login we use what? User login, this one. Just say the time I'm copying, so it's right here, right? But we have to make sure there is 2 spaces. Okay, so now in place of this we are going to use different variable, not scalar variable. Maybe we are using, let's see, with this one. Okay, we are using credentials. Okay, say for example we are using credential. Okay, instead of username I am using credentials, but inside the credentials, look carefully. Inside the credentials we have admin and what? Password. This is username and this is password, right? How it will know, this credential will know we are using for username. Yeah, yeah, right, exactly. You got it. Now maybe it sounds odd for Google. Okay, Google, do you know what is index? No. Okay, I understand. Now Hoshe knows what is index, but uh, it's not familiar with Google. Okay, let me see again. I have to finish within 15 minutes. Okay, now credentials, so we have to use index. Okay, index will be, what will be the index? Index always starts with 0. Okay, 0. Now first like index, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, index always start with 0. Like if we store data on A, okay, like index, this is like 10, like 20, 30, say for example, just example. Now say for example this is array. Okay, so this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, index always starts from 0. Okay, just for this time being, just try to understand. Index starts from 0. So there are two index. This is 0, this is 1. Okay, there are two. What are these two, like, values we are storing inside credentials? So if we think about index, this is 0 and this is 1. So when I am saying this is 0, robot is so smart, it can pick this is min. Okay, 0 credentials, there are two. This is 0 and this is 1. Okay, and for this one I'm picking up dictionary variable. Which one is dictionary? This one. Okay, so I will take credentials. It's not highlighting. Why? Because spelling mistake. Okay, credentials, credentials, credentials. It should be highlighting. Okay, let's see what's wrong with it. Okay, let's check. And this time I'm using the credentials. This is different variable, right? Okay, this is dictionary variable. In dictionary variable, I'm also taking index. You see, there are also one pair of key. These two together is 1, and this is 2. Okay, so I'm using just username. Oh, I'm using the password. I'm taking this one. Password, and it will able to pick up admin123. Okay, now let's see whether it can. Now just try to run it and see how does it work. Now another one. How does, let's see, we are inside the tests, and robot name is tests suits underscore 003 dot robot. It cannot pick it up. I think what's wrong? Credentials, browser. What we are taking file. Okay, URL. Something went wrong. It's not. Oh, it's working, right? TC login tests. What's wrong? Selenium library is working. Browser is working. This is URL. Open browser. URL. I think URL is not okay. You see, this one is capital, all capital, and this one is small and capital, right? And browser is, let us check browser, it's okay, I think. Okay, now Just go back, try to run it. No, still not working. URL and browser. Sure, there is 2 spaces. There is okay. We have to make sure here credentials. What's wrong with it? All right. Text. Okay. It's saying try help usage information. Robot. Test suite. 003 underscore dot robot. I see. Okay. Failed data source does not exist. Why it's saying not exists? It is under the tests. Test suits underscore 003. Oh my goodness. You see? T. There is no T. Test suits. You see it? Mistake. Spelling mistake. So how we can change it? Refactor suits. Yeah, sometimes it happens. We have to look at it when we make mistake. Okay. Refactor. Refactor is you want to change something. You want to edit. Okay. So when you want to edit, just right button click, then go to refactor. What is refactor? Then rename. Okay. Okay. Now yeah, you can copy and paste also, but mainly we use it for refactoring. Test suits. Actually, we have to crash. Oh, it's working. You see? All right. What's wrong? It's taking too much time. Let me check my internet.